Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Castle Dollhouse is probably one of the most enchanting and imaginative toys a child can own, offering a magical portal into a world of royal adventures and fairy tale dreams, where little ones can create their own stories, arrange furniture, and bring their favorite characters to life within its majestic walls, fostering creativity and hours of engaging, screen-free play that sparks joy and wonder. Number 5. Little Pie Frozen Princess Castle Magnetic Tiles. Bring your child's winter wonderland dreams to life with these magnetic tiles. The enchanting colors and design are sure to capture their imagination and create a magical experience. Let their creativity soar as they pretend to be royalty. These magnetic toys provide hours of fun while helping to develop essential motor, visual, and problem-solving skills. This comprehensive set includes doors, windows, and stairs, along with carefully selected durable parts. Your little one can build their very own winter castle and kingdom. These magnetic tiles offer a wonderful opportunity for interactive parent and child playtime. It's a great alternative to spending too much time in front of screens. Make this an excellent gift for birthdays or holidays. It's perfect for any child who loves to build and imagine, creating lasting memories. What we like? Build your own winter wonderland with this magnetic tile set. It encourages creative pretend play and develops essential skills. If you're looking for a gift that sparks imagination and offers screen-free fun, this is a fantastic choice for little ones who love a touch of magic. What people say. The dollhouse is large and has many rooms, including a working elevator and a garage. It comes with furniture and accessories, such as a bathtub, a piano, and a chandelier. The dollhouse is made of sturdy plastic and is easy to assemble. Number 4. ROBUD Wooden Dollhouse with Furniture. Introducing the ROBUD Wooden Dollhouse, a beautiful princess house designed for endless imaginative play. It comes with rich, solid wood furniture and multiple rooms across 3 stories, making it incredibly attractive to children. Each room in this dollhouse is vibrantly colored and illustrated with intricate details. This makes it look real enough to spark your child's imagination and provide a truly engaging play experience. This is a little girl's dream dollhouse, encouraging creative imagination. She can constantly rearrange the furniture, designing different interiors and pretending it's her own living environment. Your child will be captivated for hours with this toy. It promotes active play, storytelling, and even invites friends for role-playing parties, ensuring endless fun. Beyond just fun, playing with this dollhouse promotes communication, reasoning, and intellectual thinking. It's a wonderful way for children to develop essential skills while playing. What we like? This beautiful wooden dollhouse offers a realistic play experience with its rich, solid wood furniture and detailed decorations. It's perfect for children who love to rearrange and create their own living spaces. If your child enjoys imaginative storytelling and designing interiors, this durable and attractive house will provide endless hours of engagement. What people say. The dollhouse is very sturdy and well-made, with durable wood construction that is built to last. It features multiple levels and rooms, including a kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom, offering plenty of space for imaginative play. The included furniture and accessories are detailed and realistic, adding to the overall play experience. Number 3. Little Pie Frozen Magnetic Tiles. Unleash creativity with our magical 80-piece magnetic set. It's the perfect choice for preschool graduation gifts, sparking your little one's imagination as they build their own ice castle. This 80-piece magnetic toy set is not only fun but also a valuable learning resource. It combines play and learning, making it suitable for children aged 4 to 7. Inject color into pretend play with our magnetic tile set. It's the best present for your little boy or girl aged 3 to 8, ideal for any special occasion. Crafted from safe, durable, food-grade ABS plastic with stronger magnets, our set ensures worry-free playtime. Connect and stack pieces to create diverse shapes and structures. Minimize screen time and maximize fun with our princess-themed set. Inspire active play and foster a snow adventure right in your living room. What we like? Unleash creativity with this set of magnetic tiles designed for building ice castles. It combines fun with valuable learning resources, making it ideal for active play. If you want to minimize screen time and inspire imaginative adventures, this safe and colorful option is a perfect gift for aspiring princesses. What people say. The dollhouse is large and has many rooms, including a working elevator. It comes with furniture and accessories, making it a complete set for imaginative play. The design is detailed and realistic, resembling a real house with different sections like a kitchen, bedroom, and living room. Number 2. Little Dolls Set with Mini Princess Dolls. Introducing a charming set of 6 mini princess dolls, each with unique hairstyles and vibrant colors. They are fashionable, fun, and beautifully packaged, ready for imaginative play. These dolls feature adjustable arms and legs, allowing kids to pose them in various positions. They can sit, stand, hold hands, and enact all sorts of gestures for creative storytelling. Each tiny princess comes dressed in a fancy ball gown, complete with shiny jewelry and a sparkling tiara. They are perfect for creating magical fairy tale scenarios. Standing at just 5.5 inches tall, these petite dolls are ideally sized for dollhouse play. Their miniature scale makes them a perfect royal addition to any dollhouse. This delightful boxed set is a wonderful gift idea for girls aged 3 and up. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because, encouraging imaginative play and exploration. What we like? Equip your dollhouse with these charming mini princess dolls, each featuring unique hair colors and adjustable limbs for dynamic play. They come dressed in elegant ball gowns and tiaras, ready for fairy tales. If your child loves creating make-believe scenarios and needs the perfect companions for their dollhouse, this set offers delightful, imaginative fun. What people say. The dollhouse is very sturdy and well-made, with durable wood construction that is built to last. It features multiple rooms, including a kitchen, bedroom, and living room, each furnished with detailed accessories. The design is charming and realistic, with intricate details like miniature furniture and working doors and windows. Number 1. WISESTAR Large Princess Castle 3D Puzzles Model Dollhouse Kits. Discover a magical 3D princess castle puzzle, designed to transport you to a world of fantasy. It's a detailed model with exquisite furniture across multiple floors, making you feel like royalty. This large-scale model boasts a realistic design, complete with a living room, kitchen, bedroom, and even a practice room with a piano. Imagine living in this enchanting fairy tale house. Crafted from high-quality paper and EPS foam board, this puzzle set is built to last. The precision-made pieces ensure a perfect fit, creating a stable and impressive structure. With 92 sturdy pieces, assembly is a breeze. No scissors or glue are needed, making it a safe and convenient building experience for everyone over 8 years old. This challenging 4-star difficulty model is more than just a toy, it's an educational tool. It helps develop logical thinking, strategic planning, and spatial perception skills. Looking for a unique gift? This stunning castle model is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or as a beautiful desktop decoration. It's a great way to create lasting memories with family and friends. What we like? Assemble a stunning 3D princess castle model with this high-quality puzzle set. It features intricate details, realistic furniture, and a challenging yet safe building experience. If you're looking for an engaging activity that develops logical thinking and spatial skills, this is a great gift for older kids and adults who enjoy a rewarding construction project. What people say. The dollhouse is very sturdy and well-made, with durable materials that seem like they will last for a long time. It features multiple rooms, each uniquely decorated and furnished, providing ample space for imaginative play and storytelling. The included accessories are detailed and add to the realism, enhancing the overall play experience for children. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.